many lives, property, and destroy most of our city. However, behind the sorrow, the tsunami also taught us many things. One of it is the importance of disaster preparedness. The field trip and tsunami simulation activities that we are carrying today are a concrete manifestation of our commitment to continue learning and improving disaster preparedness.
Gempa subsided. The